Bonkers.
Hi YouTube, this is BmxTutorials here today, and I am going to show you my new custom We the People Justice 2010 bike. Okay, so they're going to start off with the chrome green rims, with the salt hub right there. If you can see the salt, salt rims, pitch flow 20 times 210 is pretty epic. Yep. So now you know the frame. It's a We the People Justice. We got the pivot seat right there. Epic fail. Yeah, we just got the cranks, the bottom bracket, and you know all the sprocket and crap. They're all salt. Some Odyssey pedals right there. Okay, now we're moving on to the headset. Headset's there. It's a salt. You can see. Moving around, yeah, well the ball bearings are stored, so coming down to the forks, again We the People racing forks. Now we come on to my other front wheel. It is a Dirt Monster by Aliensh. Well, yeah, that. Epic spelling mistake. Now move on to the We the People bars, which are absolutely amazing. We got the headset right there. Salt. Yeah, we got the salt cable. And I don't know what brake lever this is. Might be salt or Odyssey. But that is my bike check. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and more videos to come. Alright, peace. That's BmxTutorials out.